If you have been watching me for a while now, you know that a year ago I packed my life in one suitcase and I traveled to Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates to start a new life, completely new life in my 30s. I am a mom of two who was happily married, but the marriage ended 3 years back. And within those 3 years, I didn't know what to do. I was just stuck in life, no goals, no ambitions. The only thing I cared about was my kids' well-being. Like I needed them to be okay. Was concerned with, do they have what to eat? Do they have shelter? Are they in school? That's how stuck I was. I didn't think about tomorrow. I didn't think about the future. I couldn't just think. But by the grace of God, a year ago, through my family, uh, I decided to come here. I was actually supposed to go to Canada, but long story short, I couldn't. And I ended up here because that's where God wanted me to. So I just want to give an update of how my life is currently, what I'm up to, and just to testify to God for His goodness. All right. So when I came here, I don't know if I shared the story, but I have an OB, but he was my senior. He had been here for quite some time and he was given a project in one of the malls here. He was given a project to lead. So he was looking for people. And that was the time that I came in. And he was like, "Girl, I need you. If you join me on this project, we're gonna do great things." And of course, it wasn't about him for me to get the job. I had to go into a series of interviews, which I did. And of course, by the grace of God, I passed and I joined him at the project where I'm currently working. And it's completely a different field. It's logistics. I really never had any prior experience in that department, but I thank God that He entrusted me to join a completely new field and He told me everything that I needed to learn. And not only that, guys, when I came here in Abu Dhabi, God joined me to a wonderful church. It's called Cornerstone. I am doing photography there. I have met so many cool people in the community. Wonderful, blessed, kind, filled with the Spirit. I'm also doing my best to rebuild my brand. So as much as I'm working at 9 to 5, as much as I'm doing content, I'm also doing a diploma in digital marketing because I want to build my brand from scratch, to do my website, to do my marketing, to do my branding, and as well help small and medium businesses with their branding and marketing as well. Isn't God awesome, guys? Isn't God awesome? Because when I look back, I remember the times when all mattered was food on the table for just that day. No savings in my bank account, no future plans, no future goals, no ambitions. And right now, right now, guys, man, glory to God. Glory to God. And by the way, I joined communities, running communities. Okay, what's up with my camera? Yeah. I joined communities, running communities, walking communities. We do yoga, we do Zumba. So many things that keep me entertained and occupied that I don't have space for thinking, for worrying, for okay. If I have to be honest, once in a while I get to think like, oh, I would have been with my children, I would have been with my husband, I would have been blah 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 blah. But God has given me the grace to live in the moment, in the moment. The moment is what matters right now, and the future is so bright. So, this is a video that I'm recording to encourage someone. You're probably starting over, or you're probably afraid of what would happen after starting over, or you don't even know where to start from. My prayer is that the God that I serve helps you, give you clarity and the strength that you need to take that bold step. It's never easy, yeah. It's never easy. It's such a bold decision. It's a sacrifice, especially for us as parents. Like you have to leave your kids behind with your mom. Yeah, she's your mom, and they are your kids, meaning that you are the person that God puts into everything that they need to grow as great people. But what to do, Yani? I mean, what can we do? It's the option that we have for now, but we can work hard and make a better future for them. I have great plans for my children, just as the Lord have great plans for me. I know very soon that God is going to give me the ability to live with them. And yeah, very soon. So that's it. Thanks for keeping in touch. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now. God bless you. Mwah.